Hey guys, thanks for stopping in today and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special guest, Mr. Brooks. This was not a planned video, however, life doesn't always go as planned. I got all ready to do my monthly unboxing and somebody has had a very fussy morning, week. It's Monday, but it feels like a week, so we're gonna go with it. And he loves the camera. He loves to look at himself. So I figured this could either go really good or really bad. But I can't believe it's another month. Thank you all for standing with me while I build my channel. Having a 4-month-old and finishing school is rather difficult. Not always easy to produce new videos, but I do promise I have more coming. I am filming more and school is almost over for at least the summer. So let's get right into this because I'm not sure how it's gonna go and I really want to share these products with you. So we'll see how Brooks feels about them. So I got my monthly Boxycharm and it's the same subscription as I have had in the past months. I wanted to open this box so many times over the past week and I did get it about Wednesday last week. So again, it's Monday. I've had a lot of self-restraint doing this. So let's get right into it. Rose Quartz, and it's by Nails Inc. I'm not really sure. It says Crystal Ball Roller Gloss Duo. And what it says about these, okay, here it is. Inc.Redible Cosmetics is who makes it. It's MSRP of $24. And it says, the glossiest roller ball to date has landed with a crystal roller ball to cool and soothe lips. The glassy formula is infused with crystals to stimulate lip circulation and wake up the chakras. Sounds interesting. No? We'll try the next one then. Of course, this is like the month that they give me all things that need to be opened. But the next product we have is Nature Bamboo Removal Pads, Makeup Removal Pads. It's 70% natural bamboo and 30% cotton, organic cotton. Okay. So these are Luxe and Willow 4-piece reusable bamboo makeup removal pads. MSRP is $20 and they are antimicrobial and hypoallergenic. They're reusable bamboo pads and designed to remove makeup, cleanse, and apply toner while reducing waste for the environment. And it uses the mesh bag included to machine wash and dry. So that's actually a pretty cool idea. I'm down for anything that's sustainable and anything that helps with the environment. So this here is a win for me. Is it a win for you? Immediately put it in your mouth and then I have to rinse it off. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, we're back and better than before. It appears to be a palette. Sunset to Sunrise, I can see it says. Iconic London. Are you ready? Are you ready to see? You put your little hands on everything. Here, you want the box? You have the box? I can take the product? Yeah. Here we go. All right. Oh wow, these are beautiful shades. But I think this is a beautiful palette. I love the pinks and the corals. This is really up my alley in terms of colors. So this one here is Iconic London. Its MSRP is actually $62. It's perfect for the summer companion. The 20 highly pigmented shades and a selection of mattes, shimmers, and glitters will make your eye look pop. With a fine, silk-like formula, the range of versatile shades you take you from day to night in an instant. This is really a beautiful palette. This is probably, I mean, I haven't seen the other items in here, but it's probably my favorite so far. I'm not gonna be able to read the rest, am I? This is for you. This is all about you, buddy. The next product we have is Dose of Colors Lip Liner. Shade is Honeymoon. Oh, that's not good. It is MSRP $14. It is a creamy, long-wearing lip liner that delivers transfer-resistant, high-coverage color with a matte finish. Comes with a built-in sharpener. Okay, mister. we're saying goodbye to Mr. for now because he is looking to go in his swing. Okay. And see how that goes. We're going to miss him though. And I will be right back with you. Oh, fuzzy boy. Okay, I'm back. It's kind of sad to be here without my companion though, to be honest. The next product that I have to show you is this iconic London eyeshadow palette. It is absolutely beautiful. The colors are stunning. I love these corally pink colors. I love the more violet shades, the tans. This is a palette I completely can see myself wearing all summer long. So I'm so excited to try this palette. Next up, looks like it is 111 Skin. And it says it is a Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Looks like it is a sheet mask. There's actually quite a few of these in here. And yeah, this is what the product looks like. It is a sheet mask. And this is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treat Mask. It's a 5-pack. MSRP is $135 on this. It says, the ultimate pre-event mask, this hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance-boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. Originally created as a limited edition item, this mask has grown into a global cult product and a staple in this 111 Skin collection. And if you can hear any background noise, that is my son in his swing now playing, and he likes to, we have the Mamaroo, he loves it. He likes to kick it really hard so that he can make the little spinny balls at the top shake, and then he stares at them. He's staring at me right now, but that is the noise you're hearing. So the last product, I got a little sidetracked, is the Natasha Denona. I never know. I see this I see all of her products everywhere, but I'm not really sure how to say her name. So I apologize in advance if I have butchered that. I always want to try her products, but they're just pretty expensive, and I don't know enough about them to splurge on them myself. So I'm very excited to get this. This is a Transfix Matte Concealer. And the shade they picked for me is 5R, which is Red Rogue. I hope that's going to work for me. I don't know how this system works. I mean, I do have more pink undertones. 5 sounds like it might be a little dark. Yeah, it looks like it might be a little dark for me. We'll see. We'll do the nice test. I mean, this might work for something that is a summer shade for me. It actually isn't very dark, but I don't know if it's something I can use as an under eye concealer. It might be something that I'm going to need to use for my blemishes or anything like that in my face during the summer when I'm tan. So we'll see. I'm going to try this on actually, and maybe I'll do a review just to see how it works and how it looks. It's nice and thin. I like the consistency a lot. I worry that it's going to be a little too dark for me. So those are all the products that I got for this month, and I actually am very happy with this month's box. Sometimes I get products and I'm just like, I'm never going to use that. The concealer aside, if it's the wrong shade, I can totally see myself using all of these products. I love the palette. I will probably use that so often, and it's actually time for me to switch out my winter makeup where I go through more cool dark shades into my summer where I wear a lot lighter makeup. The sheet masks I'm really excited to try, especially if it's a cult product. I love trendy cult products, so I'm excited to see how that works. I will say though, I'm not always a huge fan of sheet masks. I feel like they're a little sticky sometimes, and they kind of make me feel, I don't know, like I can't move my face, and I just don't move. I leave them on the entire time, and I know some people will put them on and go through their whole day. For me, that's a little hard. So we'll see how that works. But the reusable makeup removing wipes, I use any kind of a towel or anything right now, and I feel like they're a little harsh for me, and they actually will remove some of my fake tan from my face. So something light like this I think is going to be really great for me for the summer. I love that I can keep the bag and just toss it in the wash and reuse them. The other thing that I think, we'll see how I feel about it, is the Crystal Infused Lip Gloss. Just because I'm not usually a lip gloss person, and I'm not really sure, call me a skeptic, how crystals are going to make my lips more hydrated. But we're going to give it a try. So anyways, thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe below. I will link all of the products that I've listed in the comments section, and please let me know if there's anything that you've tried out of here, anything that you would like to try, or any products that you're loving right now. Thanks again for stopping by. Have a great day.